I've been waiting to do this since I got this hat. Right there. That's clean. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another old-fashioned Friday. And this week, if you've seen a previous video that we just released about a place called Kings Ransom in Alexandria, Virginia, that's where we're at. You saw we tasted all 10 of the old fashions, just a small sample of each one, where we had to do an old-fashioned Friday. On one of them, I picked the regular classic old fashioned. Again, I'm not a giant fan of the huge twists on them, so I just feel like the safest route is to do the review on the classic old fashioned that they have. This is made with Woodford Reserve, house-made bitters, and everything that they do here at Kings Ransom. All the ingredients are pretty much house-made, which I think is incredible. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. Jump right into appearance. Big glass plus, super clean look plus, giant cube plus, clear ice, another plus, stamp of Kings Ransom logo on the ice, like plus times a million. Like, again, this is what, when you go out and you get an old fashioned or you get any kind of craft cocktail, this is what you're looking for as far as the appearances. I'm gonna obviously give a full 3. Not too many people have the clear ice. I need a single cube. I prefer the clear ice. I actually met the ice guy. They were delivering the ice when I walked in. I believe the company is called Just Cubes or Just Cubes DMV. Anyways, I'm about to order some from him because this looks beautiful. So obviously full 3 on appearance. Here we go for a sip. I've been waiting to do this since I got this hat. Right there. That's clean. Big shout out to Kev Bednars for this hat. Virginia is for Grubbers. Custom hat he got me with a that's clean on the side. Super, super, super clean. I wouldn't expect anything less just from looking at it. Typically, I can look at a drink and just kind of tell if it's gonna be good or not. Super smooth, refreshing, and exactly the way an old fashioned is supposed to taste with that classic recipe. First sip, I'm gonna go 295. And as we finish the rest of the drink, I'll get into the overall ambiance of Kings Ransom. Now listen, I just did a video on Kings Ransom. Obviously, build a relationship with John, who runs the place, as we were doing the video. So my opinion is clearly gonna be a little bit more biased when I come to a place and we do a little bit more in-depth video of places and I establish a relationship with whoever it is that's running that restaurant or facility. So I just want to be completely transparent whenever I do these reviews. Like, some places I just show up unannounced and maybe the part-time bartender's working and they don't dish out the best. Like here, they knew I was coming. Again, we just shot a video that featured them. So my opinion is obviously going to be a little bit more biased towards places like that. Do we do that regularly? No. Do we try to do that? No. We typically try to just show up unannounced because we want to get the same old fashioned that you're going to get when you walk in. So if we say, hey, we're gonna come through, and then they make some special kind of, something that's different or unique for us, and then they don't do that for you, then it completely defeats the entire purpose. But I can assure you, if you come to Kings Ransom, this is what you're gonna see, this is what you're gonna taste, and this is exactly what you're gonna get. So I have no problem of giving this review. Overall ambiance of the entire place, full 1, beautiful cocktail lounge / bar. There's also a sushi place below this. And it's in Alexandria, which is one of my favorite places to visit in Virginia. I think Arlington and Alexandria are definitely in the top 3 places in Virginia that I like to come out, have some craft cocktails. So full 1 on that, and then here we go overall. Super, super consistent. Same first taste as that taste. Super clean, super smooth. And whenever you do get the clear ice, obviously it takes, I don't know the exact math, but probably close to 10 times longer as far as the melting is concerned. So it's not going to dilute the product. I'm going to keep the score the same, 295. So I said 295, 295, 3 and 1. It's a 9-9. I don't even know if we had a 9-9 actually. I know we had some 9-8s. I think we had a 9-8-5. I don't know if we had a 9-9. We had a 10. We had 1-10. This might be the first 9-9. I'm not sure. But here we are, Kings Ransom, Alexandria, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.